What's up, everybody? I'm gonna make a video. I'm gonna get straight to the point. As you see in the title, I have a Mercedes that has been down for a while and the airbags have let out, and there's no way to let it up easily on these cars. So simple. I went and got a 2x4, just like a 4-foot long one. Got a saw. All I did was get about that much. It's about three or 4 inches right there. Cut it, and I zip tied it to the top of the control arm here. So 2 zip ties on either side. There's kind of like a little slot that it fits nicely in, and it hits up top, so it gives you a gap in the car about that much off the ground. So if you're going to tow, like right now, I'm going to tow this car with a tow truck. It's currently too low. So on this side, I just now cut the block right here, and then I'm gonna set it right there and zip tie it. I just got some regular black zip ties, put 2 together, and I'll wrap it around the whole thing. I'll put 2 on each side so that it doesn't slip. I'll see if I have to do the back, but I just need the front raised up enough so it can get on the bed of the flatbed truck without scraping. But I tried every other thing to do as far as raising up the car. This seems like it's going to be the simplest. I didn't see anything on YouTube showing how to do this, but there's no way that I've seen to raise the car. Currently, the car has a bad starter and it will not start, and the car will not raise if it's not started. So I'm gonna finish putting this up and show you how much it's raised. For reference, you can see how that's tucked in the back. That's how the front was as well. And I'll show you what it looks like after I put this block in. All right, this one side. That's the other side. And this doesn't have to be super secure. It's just to be sure that the block stays in place when you lower the car. All right. So now I'm gonna lower the car. So before, I could not move the jack from under the car. So the jack moves out now. And I have like a 2-finger gap in the front. And if you experiencing this problem, you'll know that the car was sitting about right here, halfway under the tire. Now I got a 2-finger gap on the front. It also has raised the back up. Probably don't have to raise the back because I'll get a flatbed, but you can do the same thing. Again, this piece of wood cost me $4. This was $12. Zip ties I already had. And on the same on this side, 2-finger gap. And now you can call the tow truck to move the car on the trailer. All right, if you guys found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, like it, share, subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace. As you can see, it worked out fine. Car was up high enough for a flatbed truck to pick it up, and we are on our way.